Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. In this one, it's going to be more of a how-to. I'm going to show you how to install all the side skirt clips on your side skirt. So we'll let Pavel drive by here. We're at Tex Fest, and on the way down, side skirts started flapping and falling off. My buddy Daniel put some tape on there to hold it up, but it was about down there while I was driving, and that's just not gonna work. So our friends over at Angry Ass sell a complete kit, all the hardware, for a pretty affordable price. I want to say it's about $130 for every clip for both sides, which if you guys know BMW stuff, you go to the dealer, it's gonna cost you substantially more than that, and you're gonna have to sit there forever and try and figure out, you know, what clips you need, what clips you don't need. This is just a kit that has everything in it. With this kit, you can buy a template to put on your car to drill all of these holes. I guess those ones would exist, but all of those holes so that you can put side skirts on a non-side skirt car.
That's cool.
Without guessing or you know, trying to find some other fastener. You can use all of the factory hardware stuff. So that's super cool. So what we got is, and also links in the description below for this kit, and their website's there too, so anything you want to see that they sell. But we got the kits that go on the bottom, or the clips that go on the bottom. These just hold the plastic on one side, and then they just clip to the pinch weld on the other side. So they're pretty easy to install. There's no hardware there that goes into the body. So if you're adding side skirts to your car, they just clip on. And then these are the little grommets that go in here. And then these white clips are the ones that clip into the side skirt itself here. And then there's these other white clips that are kind of round. Those go in the front part of the top of the side skirt and go into the fender. I'll show you when I put those in. We've got these little black push clips. They go in back here. And then there's these bolts. First thing I want to do is just remove this side skirt entirely and then just get all the clips off the car. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright guys, and so once you get your side skirt off, you might notice some rust in this area if it was a factory side skirt car. It's just more BMW's not great design on the side E34s. There's heavy rust here. This just rusts all the way. You can get a new fender if you want. Or side skirt covers it. I didn't remember that being there, to be totally honest with you. I'm a little sad. Not that sad. They work. But I got all the clips out. Now we're working on getting all these grommets out. They're pretty plasticized in there and stiff, but I'm gonna see what I can do to get them out.
Oh yeah.
Morning, dorks.
Link E-Tran. He pulled into the big trailer there. Tractor trailer.
Yes, sir.
Alright guys, the first thing I put in is these little tiny ones. There's like 22 of them in the kit. So, you got 11 for each side, and just stick them in. They have a nice feedback when they make it all the way in. So you got these square ones with the point. Those just slide on like that, and then these little tabs push those in, and they center the pin on there so they don't spin or anything. So we got all our clips in. These round ones go at the front and the very back. There's 4 of those. And I said these square ones right there, 8 of those. Yeah, let's slap her in. And then just like that, your rust disappears.
Very technical stuff.
I gotta go around the front. hooks over the fender.
It's very satisfying to watch this go on with new clips.
I bought all new clips from E30 and it comes kind of weird.
Yeah, I didn't bring it with me.
Green and purple, it looks good together.
Yeah. Hell yeah. There you go.
Look how much better that looks. Rust gone. Alright, so then once you get on that, it would probably be easier with a jack of some sort. But we're in the middle of an event, so we're just going to do it. We're going to let all these beautiful cars through, I think, though, so give us a second. That's an E12 if you guys don't know. Alright. Now, we're going to clip these on. They're going like that.
And because it's all OEM stuff, it just goes right together. Wow, dude, this is gonna be satisfying to do.
Yeah. So my pinch weld is completely destroyed here, so there's not going to be any front ones up there. I think I can still maybe get a bolt in there. This is for you guys. Just you got to do it. So there's 5 on each side.
The entire place we stayed in New Mexico was off-road. Right. So, yeah. I'm surprised the car didn't get dirty. Yeah, my car's currently smells like burning leaves. Because every animal carcass in the road is tall enough to catch the exhaust. And I had like 4 of them. How do you want to do this? Do you want me to just pull it out? Yeah, just like move over, like, you know, because the cabin's way back.
So we're really just going to lose some of those. But they're there for this moment. Right. And then we got 2 bolts to hold it. I don't actually know if we need 2 bolts. I think it's just 1 bolt, to be honest with you. My rusty fender is not going to allow it to be installed, but it goes. So, yeah. I don't have a fender there anymore. So, you have all those ones? And then the final little piece is these little black push pins. They go all the way in the back, right here. Give us a second. I didn't remember to take the old ones out. All right, so I'm gonna have to take the wheel off in order to get those old clips out. So that's not gonna work for me right now. But once you get them out, stick these in like this, and then just push them in. But these are a one-time use one, so once you do it, you can't pull that back out. So once they're in, they're in. So that ends the install portion of how to install your side skirts. And thanks for Angry Ass for sponsoring this video. Their links are in the description below. Please feel free to browse their website. They sell all kinds of cool stuff. Look at this car. It has F30 M Sport brakes on it, which is a 340 mil rotor and a 4-piston Brembo caliper. And they sell the adapter kit to run that. Very affordable kit to add better brakes to your car. It also has studs. So these are the MSI studs that they sell. Pretty much NASCAR quality, and I opted for the yellow nuts because why not? But anyway, check out Angry Ass. Brent and Greg and Brian are awesome. So this video is still gonna be kind of short, so if you guys want to know about us, this is my 1994 540i Touring. Came from Japan. Was a factory auto. We put a manual in it. Super cool car. We're here at Tex Fest. We're gonna go on a little bit of a drive today. We drove this car a little over 800 miles to get here a couple days ago, and we need some maintenance items to get done while we're gone. Killed the tripod. So we're a little low on brake fluid. We're gonna top that off, and yeah, we have a supercharger, and our supercharger belt has lost a rib and is digging into our fan shroud slightly. So we're gonna throw a new belt on that, and then we're gonna get going on our day.
Oh, nice. That's a good feature.
Thanks, Dynan.
All right, so that video kind of ended abruptly. We're back in the shop now. If you're just seeing this video just because you wanted to see how to put side skirts on your E34, cool. So Angry Ass, link in the description, supplied that stuff to me, and they supply tons of other stuff for E34s in terms of parts and pretty much just parts. but stuff you can't get from BMW anymore, or things you can get from BMW but cost a little too much, and then some cool aftermarket stuff. So make sure to check them out. If you would like to see any more install videos on any more parts that they offer, I have every car that they offer parts for, so I can definitely do that. And then also on E34 front, I own a ton of E34s. If there's any more DIY videos that you guys would like to see on an E34, I would gladly make it for you. So just comment below, let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you guys have an E34, go you, best car BMW ever made, and have a great day.